Hi there, in this tutorial we are going to create collision boxes template for fabrication. What it is I'm going to collide some boxes and then I'm going to need a template for me to cut out the board or the foam board to make the box. So let's get started. Let me close this one and Control N to create new project. First I'm going to create the boxes. First 10 feet by 10 feet. The height is 10 feet to make it easier. Then I'm going to move it from the center to the center, move it down 5 feet by holding a control 5 feet, enter. So I just made my collider boxes. Next step, I'm going to union them so it will create a solid piece of object. So unite, click, holding a shift key, click on each object, let go of the shift, click on the blank area, left click, then go to your clipping plane to check it. You see it's collided together and then it's one single object. Next step, I'm going to thicken it right there, and then I'm going to make it as 9 inches inward. So click on it, double check on it. So now I've thickened the walls and in between is hollow. Okay, we just created boxes for us to play with. Next step, we're going to use the Derive faces. Under Derive menu, click on it, and I'm going to select the faces for the first box. Holding a shift key, click on the faces. That's it. Let go of the shift key, click on the blank space, left click, and then create the box by just using the faces of it. What I'm going to do is select everything, cut it. So it will save the box in the clipboard. And then do undo twice to go back to the original boxes, collider box. So next step, I'm going to repeat the same steps. Go to the Derive face, and then hold on. Go back. Let go. Clear it up. Derive face, and then select the second box. Holding a shift key. That. Click on each surface. Let go. Place. Then I have another one. Then I'm going to Control V to paste back the original box 1. And then what I'm going to do, I'm going to color it so it will be easy to see later. Before I can like unfold the box into the template, what I'm going to do is, you gotta know, like, if I just making a box by the face of here, you need to there's nothing holding it in between. So I'm going to move out the box and then extend the edge of it. There's two options you can do. One, you can just select the box, then move it away, and then you can move, and then you can add the edge, extend the edge on each side. But the other cool trick is you can isolate the object. So with the box 1 selected, I'm going to hold CTRL+SHIFT+I to isolate the object. So without like worrying about how far you move out the box or anything, you can just isolate the box right there. Next, I'm going to use the offset outline. I don't know what outline. Offset outline tools. Left click. Click on the face. Extend it. And I'm going to extend it by 9 inches because my wall is 9 inches. So -9 for this. Okay, in this case. Okay. And then I'm going to draw out the line. Oops, it's gone. I don't know why. Offset. Let's try it again. -9. Enter. There you go. first I'm going to show you the first way, maybe it's an easier way, by drawing this area out. So we don't need that, So let's go to the V-line tools, zoom in a little bit, and then I'm going to start drawing the outline. Here you go, draw it, just trace it out, left click, left click, left click, left click, and it's done. If you select making a 3D object, you can just simply enter 0 here, so it'll be a flat surface. Next we're going to do is go back to the pick tools, select the face only, and delete each face. So you get the nice edges like that by that process. The next one, I'm going to do it differently using the offsets. So like the last step, I'm going to use the offset outline in this face. Make it extended by 9 inches. That's it. Instead of drawing the line, we can use offset segment. Click on it, drag it to the edge of it, snap it, click on it. That's it. Do it for this side as well. Alright, just like that. Go back to the pick tool. Make sure the face is checked on the pick tool. Check the face and delete the unwanted faces. Oops. I missed one offset line. So go back to offset. Make sure you click on this. Snap. Go back to the pick tool. Face is on. Delete the face. Alright, so this is another way to do the edges. Okay, there's an extra line you don't want. You can go to the pick tool, make sure the line, or if you can select, just delete it by selecting the line, unwanted line, or make sure this line segment icon is selected. Delete. Alright, one more side to go. Same steps. Negative 9. Alright, I think the line tool is easier, so I'm going to just draw out the outline. Check. Oh, when you doing the drawing line, make sure it's not insert. This box is not checked. Okay. Alright, so going to delete the edge. There you go. Do not unghost it now, because you're in the isolate mode. So if you unghost everything, the box tool will be deleted. So make sure you don't delete it. If these lines are bugging you, just uncheck it on your object windows, like these. But since it's not bugging me, so I'm going to just leave it like that. Okay, next step, I'm going to stitch these edges with the box one. So let's look for the stitches. Under modify stitch, holding a shift key, click on the plane of the box, click, let go of the shift, click on the blank area, left click. Notice there's still some lines on it, darker line outline, but there's still one single object. The one way to get rid of it is by UNMESH, using the UNMESH function, and it is under meshes, UNMESH, check it, and then click on the object. Then the line will be gone. Before you unghost everything, go hold CTRL+SHIFT+R. Oh, it doesn't work. Look for the box 2. Usually, Ctrl+Shift+R will bring it back to the regular mode. It will show everything, but in this case, I kind of messed up when I was showing you how to not seeing to show the lines. So I'm going to find the box on the object menus windows, find the box and place it back. Now you can unghost to get rid of the line you don't want. To check it, let's go back to your clipping plane. Okay, whatever. Right here, you can see the box is colliding. You see the little edges. So when you make the template, when you cut out the board, then it will have some surface to glue on. Okay, we're almost there. Next, I'm going to select the tool, pick tool, select the object 1, object 2, move it out from the center area, because when you are doing the unfold, the layout will be right at the area, the box middle area. So I'm going to move it out that way, and then I'm going to unfold it one by one. And there you go. That's our first one. If you want to see the original box, and goes this one, the box will be the back at that area. Go back to the pick tool, select the second box, unfold it. Oh, before I do that, no, this is my unfolded planes template, whatever you call it, and this is the actual box. What I'm going to do, I'm going to move this box template into the text. These are the text, so I'm going to name it box 1 so it doesn't mess up. The rest you can delete later. Okay, because if you when you need to like manipulate and move these around, the box template and the words are not connected, so it's easier for you to group them together, and then you can simply click the whole thing and then move it around. That's very helpful. And let's go to the second box. Click on the second box, unfold, click. There you go. Notice same situation is happening here. Like if I move it now, I can't select that. So what you need to do is move it back within the group 2 and rename it to box 2. That way, by checking that, you can move everything around. Go back to the move, make sure it's not duplicating anything, move it around whatever way you want. And that's pretty much it. Okay, I want a box to show, so that's it. Just move things in place. That's it. So we can export it as DWG, save it to whatever file, then it's ready for you to print and then cut on it. Thank you for watching.